Let's take a look at toast, the staple food source of kitchens all around the world. First, make sure your wire rack is set to the middle position. The wire rack is molded so that you can position your food closer to the top or the bottom of the oven when cooking. Flipping the rack over so that it dips down before sliding it into the second slot from the top places the rack in the middle position. This is the center of the oven, which allows the Element IQ system to deliver high heat evenly from the top and bottom elements for perfect toast. Now be sure to place your bread slices close to the center of the rack. You can fit up to 6 slices of regular sandwich bread. Close the oven door and use the function dial to set the indicator on the LCD screen to toast. You'll see the toasting darkness icons at the top. The number above shows your darkness selection. Turn the temperature dial left to reduce the darkness or right to increase it. The number beneath indicates the number of slices. To adjust, turn the time dial left to decrease or right to increase. Press the Start Cancel button and you'll notice it and the LCD turning orange. The timer will start. You can adjust the toasting presets during the cycle and stop it by pressing the Start Cancel button. The frozen button reduces the oven's temperature and extends the timer slightly to make sure the toast is evenly heated without burning the outside. Why stop at bread? You can also toast nuts, seeds, or granola. And you'll love the magnetic auto rack eject feature that works with the toast setting. Basically, when the wire rack is inserted into the middle rack position, it will automatically eject halfway out of the oven when the door is opening so you can easily remove your food. Be sure to open the door slowly when the wire rack is in this position to prevent the rack from ejecting too quickly. All right, who wants a kimchi spiced chicken club sandwich?